yes. Before Devika. Bunch of AI news. Dude, it feels so weird not hearing myself in my headphones. But we're trying it out. We're going hoodie mode today for maximum vibes. Yeah, alright. We'll let some people join and then we're gonna go straight in. Also, why isn't Instagram working? Let's figure that out real quick. It says it's working. I don't know. Come on. Normally you should preview here. But it's not, even though it says it's streaming. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's go. We're good. Okay, sick. Alright, so this first one. Open source hardware compass. This is pretty cool. Okay, I definitely need headphones for this. So this guy released this necklace.
Give this to you also, which is why I'm dropping a Stripe link below. You can order one right now. I'll start shipping next week on a rolling basis.
He reckons he's gonna start shipping it. It's the necklace he's wearing. It listens to everything.
So how does it work? Basically what it does right now is it transcribes the conversations, it creates the summaries, the topics, and the embeddings, and stores it in a database. Later, you can revisit your conversations that matter to you, get summaries, get some kind of feedback, and many other use cases. The compass that I'm wearing right now is connected to my phone. It has a USB-C port. It has a battery that powers the device for 30 hours.
That's pretty good.
That's amazing. I will be open sourcing compass. So.
And it's so small.
Or distribution.
Yeah, and you can buy it right now, and he reckons he's gonna start shipping next week. $99 or $100. Only ships to UK, United States, and Canada though. So it's a bit sad for us in Australia, but it's open source, so technically we'll be able to just build it ourselves. Guess that's the microcontroller right here. Pretty interesting. What about data? We'll give you full control to delete and export your data. This is so obvious. Oh, it uses Adius, which is another open source hardware project that listens. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Yeah, shouts out to Martian or M. Kruspkis. Yo, Mike Bird, what's up? Did I see the other open source one? Alright, let's check out this one Mike Bird linked us. They're just popping up today. Is this the same guy? I did see this, but I thought it was the same guy. Oh, it is. Oh,
money for as long as possible.
Surely it's the same guy, no? It looks the same. It's like the same pendant. No, it's actually kind of slightly different.
I'm sick and tired of this, and today I want to unveil all the truth about how it's built because I don't need your money. First, most of the AI wearables that earn millions of dollars use this very small chip, which is nRF52840, which can work more than 24 hours with a very small battery like this, which is why almost no one wants you to know about this. You can buy it on Amazon for less than $15. Today, at Track 15 Mistral Hackathon, we built Friend. Friend is an actual open source AI wearable that doesn't charge a single dollar, that you can build yourself, that has three main features. Number one, it will record the entire conversations of your day. Number two, it will give you proactive feedback and advice. And number three, you can also talk to it via chat interface or with your voice. We'll publish three things today. Number one, we'll publish how to build this. Number two, we'll publish an app of how to use together with this device. And number three, we'll publish an app that you can use without the device. Please.
Damn. Okay, no, I didn't know this. Thanks, Mike. I thought it was the same because it looks so similar to this one. But I guess they're different. So I think with this open source one, you have to build it yourself. They don't provide it for you, but it's $20, which is 1/5 of the price. Cloudmate King, thanks for the sub. And yo, what's up, Sad and Moogie? So yeah, I'm gonna add this to my rubric Guys, I've been building this database. There's so many though, but I think Vlad, what's up? We're gonna make a hardware devices list. Hardware devices. Obviously, we have the O1 by OI. Rapid replay. Hey, thanks for the sub. By OI. And then now we have these two. What is this even called? The hello? The friend. Friend by Nick. Yo, it's Bashar. Did I mention you? Sorry for everyone on Instagram, but I just sent I put the description as mentioned you, because that's like a hack people have been doing when they go live, and like people think that I've mentioned them. It's a bit scummy, I'm sorry, but yeah. F you for using mention you. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna pin your comment. Sorry, bro. I was trying it out. It is scummy. I agree that was a scummy move. I won't do it again, I promise. The friend, and what was this one? The other one called Antonio. Thanks for the sub. Thanks everyone who just subbed. The compass. Jan, thank you. Link. Open source. Yes. 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 Okay. We got those. Ahmad Yusuf, thank you. Sad says, have you ever done agency work? What do you mean by agency work? Like working for an agency? Yes. Just kidding, bro. Small room. Oh, thanks, Munes. Jill says, how did you do it so I can do it? Do what? The mention you? You just like, because you can title what you call the live stream on Instagram. And I put it as mentioned you because that's what it comes out to as the notification. The notification says, tech friend is live, mentioned you. And then everyone clicks on it. I got like, I don't know, something like 60, 70 people joined when the notification went out. But yeah, sorry everyone. I guess, I don't know, I was just testing things out. But overall, I just think people see that I haven't actually mentioned them and leave. So I don't think it's a good long-term strategy. The HMDs, thanks for the follow. Okay, next thing. Check this out. There was a Mistral hackathon and people got Doom to run on Mistral. I mean, it's a kind of a clickbait title, but it's also kind of legit at the same time. Hold on. Let me just move one thing here. Working for an agency? Yeah, I did, Sad. I spent about maybe 2 to 3 years working full-time for like consulting firms here. Yeah, so it's interesting how this works is,
and so
they take frames from Doom and then they encode it into like text, ASCII characters, and then they feed the ASCII characters into Mistral and get it to interact with the game. So it's literally Mistral playing Doom all through ASCII characters and not really vision. I don't know, it's kind of funny. The title is great. We got Doom to 7B open source model to play Doom. The Mune says, what's this live about? I'm going to be trying, the main crux of this is probably going to be Devika. Not sure if you guys have seen Devin, the AI software engineer. Devika is an open source version of that that apparently one developer built in 4 days. So it's super interesting. And I want to try it very soon, but we're just going through some AI news on Twitter first. Olu, thanks for the sub. Okay. That That was Mistral Doom. And then click you want to go through this hackathon by I don't know actually who it was by, but Alex covered it. HF0. Super impressive. This guy's entrance, I was like, this guy's entrance is so good. Look at it. He does like a tennis split step. What does he make? Oh yeah, he's got an alternative architecture to transform as it scales linearly and has 10 to 100 times lower inference cost. So that's awesome. State of the art on multilingual benchmarks of Eagle 7B. Open Home, this one was really cool too. So Open Home is like another open source. I'm gonna put this on my rubric as well. Open source hardware device, kind of like the Google Home, but
Not
open
to brag,
source.
but we had some really deep talks this week.
Let's skip to it. Here.
The very first LLM-driven smart speaker. And the key
I hate when people say they're the first because they hardly ever
over
are.
ecosystems. After Stanford, I joined as chief of staff for the founder of Splunk, a $30 billion big data company. Then I led the marketing launch of MakerDAO, a $5 billion developer.
Anyway, that's pretty interesting. I haven't looked too much into that, but pretty interesting stuff. And then, yeah, this guy's entrance actually outshone the first dude's entrance. I thought that was funny.
Oh!
Look.
Oh!
What was that? Even Kevin wasn't the first AI software engineer. Exactly. I mean, like, maybe they were the first one to call themselves, and they're the first with that UI, but yeah, it's a bit nuanced.
I'm Bill. I come from a family of generational.
Clone your voice with just 10 seconds, and then he shows, like, a song that he did with his voice.
You must have a lot of questions.
Where is it? Here.
We have actually pre-trained many of your AI singing voices. If you want to hear it out, come to our booth. It's right outside.
Oh, wait. Where is the demo? He does this, he does singing, I guess. It's not in the pitch. Oh,
Hey,
here.
hey, Jude, don't make it bad. The sad
Look,
song.
you played the wrong clip. That's my actual
make
voice.
it better.
All right.
Hey.
It's pretty good. Yeah, I think they were the ones that I was interested in mostly. Cosmetic mapping machine. I didn't actually even see this because I didn't have the video. It's pretty cool though. Okay. All right. Should we get into it? Let's get straight into it with Devika. Fitson says they're struggling with JavaScript. Just use ChatGPT, Fiston. Okay, Devika, here we go. Let's go. Anas, hey, how are you doing? Alright, so there's no guarantee that this will work. I know some people have struggled to make this work, so we're gonna see if I can be. Oh, actually, I do need my headphones because we get the yeah. No, I'm gonna need my headphones. That sucks. It's alright. Yeah, let's just go straight into the quick start. Easiest way to get the project running locally is install UV, install Bun, install Olama, set the API keys, Olama serve, git clone Devika. Alright, I'm gonna try my own. Okay, let's try this. Let's clone this. So first step, clone the repository, git clone. Oh, there we go. And then we'll open it in VS Code. Oh, unfollowed for that annoying mentioned you. Oh, damn. I'm gonna pin his comment now. Oh well, you know, it's a sad day for Tech Friend. We're gonna be losing some followers with the mention you. We could restart the stream and say didn't mention you. But that, I don't know if that's just as bad. A random place that says I like your videos but they're just too complicated. Yeah, sorry, they are technical, but that's kind of the whole point of the channel as well. Good question. Some of Llama file just wouldn't open. Has that ever happened to you? No, but to be honest, I've only tried Llama file like once or twice. Okay. So let's see what the next step for Devika was. Did I close it? Clone CD into it and make a virtual environment and install the requirements. Okay, so I'm just going to use Conda. I hope that's okay. I don't see why it wouldn't be. So Conda create Devika. Receipt. Hey, thank you for the nice comment. Appreciate you. What kind of content are you into? Conda activate Devika. Pip install our requirements. Oh, requirements. .text. Oh, I didn't tell my Discord family that I'm live. I keep forgetting to do that. It should be automated, but the tag doesn't work. Da, da, da. Live gang trying Devika now. Obsessed with AI dev. Excellent. Same. Same, my G. Organize these windows while we wait for the pip installs. Okay, so after we install the Python, we got to install the front end. So we can kind of do that simultaneously. CD UI. Let's just try to use Yarn here. Yeah, that should work. All right, let's mention Googleplex. Can we do that? Google. Oh, I don't think it works. Googleplex BTC. Because then I actually mentioned him. So now he can't unfollow me. Okay, I think the backend's installed. Front end is still installing. And front end's installed. All right. Now we can run the front end with yarn dev. Excellent. And run the back end with Python 3 Devika. I think I can just go Python Devika. Devika is good, but it takes too long to complete tasks, says Anas. Interesting. I think that's okay. Surely it's faster than a human, right? Pokemon says, hi, can you do a guide for this? Yeah, for sure. I do edit all my videos into nicer formats, but it does take me a while. But you can also watch it right away if you go on my YouTube and you go on my channel in the live tab here. All my previous lives are there. So you can see the unedited full version of me running this on YouTube. Okay, so now I think we have the front end and the back end running. Here it is. Looks kind of crappy in this vertical format, but I kind of got to do this for Instagram. Yo, Adarsh, good to see you. Surprised you're awake at this time. So yeah, we can use Claude or Opus, GPT-4. I'm gonna use GPT-4. The shit thing about GPT-4 now is you have to buy credits. So that is a bit annoying, and I guess I also have to set my API key somewhere. Does it tell you how to do that? Configuration. Create a new project, select desired language, find a high level objective. Okay, cool. Config.toml. Oh, we also need a Bing API key for the search capabilities. Yo, Julian asks, what are we doing right now? We are trying to run this Devika, which is like an open source Devin, which was claiming to be an AI software engineer. So yeah, we're trying that out. Cataclysm says you also have to allow the firewall. Interesting. Hey, Isex. Okay, so let me see if I can open the keys. Make the keys. Config toml. So this is where we put our keys. I think I'll be fine with just Bing and OpenAI. So yeah, I'm just gonna make those really quick off screen while we chat. I don't know. What's that Walmart Devin? Yeah. Why does it need a database URL? Where does it say that? Oh, SQLite. Oh, you can use SQLite or where's the database URL? Oh, here it asks for one. Storage. Doesn't actually have it here, but I guess it's to store like the whole conversation and stuff. Yeah. IceX says, do you have recommended AI for mobile developer? I think just either GPT-4 or Claude Opus is just the best for general development in any language. It runs locally on your PC. Yeah, it does, but you can use, I think by default it tries to use like OpenAI's API or Claude. But I think you can also point it to a local LLM if you want. Notepad is too mainstream for Devika. Yeah, I assume it's like a complex structure, so a database would be best. This dude isn't really coding, he's faking it, says Alex. Yeah, well, I haven't actually coded at all yet, so guess you're right. Oh, popped up while you're installing. Yeah. There's also OpenDevin. Yeah, I saw that. I don't think that one's as progressed as Devika is. I've been having troubles creating keys with OpenAI. It's just hanging. I don't know why. It's pretty annoying. Like it won't complete. Yo, thanks for the follow, Danny. Can you use Gemini for the API? Asks around the places. Yeah, I think so, theoretically. I don't see why not. You just have to change like the API base and stuff. Oh my god, why can't I create a key? Okay, finally I created it. I think I also have to buy credits now. It's kind of annoying. Products. How the oh, here we go. Buy credits. It's gonna buy $10 in credits. Can I get the repo? Yeah, it's here it is. Citionai/Devika. I don't think that helped you. Okay, now we need a Bing API key. Where do we get that? Bing API key. Bing. Bing search API key. I think this is what it uses for web browsing, which I don't know. Is this just gonna be just like a SERP search, or will it be able to actually go into websites? If it can't go into websites, that's no good. Yeah, let me do this off screen. Yo, Munji, good to see you again. Dean USA says, how get working Olama AI Google collab and remotely accessible by any PC? Olama is something you run on your local machine. To be able to get it accessed by any machine, you have to like open ports on your router and stuff, which is a bit of a hassle. So I don't know, I haven't done it. Why doesn't this? Oh man, Bing is making me put in a credit card for Azure. Ragnar says, I think they have added DuckDuckGo, but didn't look how to activate it. And that uses no API. Really? Duck. I see nothing about DuckDuckGo. Yo, TP, what am I talking about? We're trying to run Devika, agentic AI software engineer. I'm just trying to get some, what do you call it? API keys for it. But yeah, it needs a Bing API key to use the internet, it seems. Oh my god, I have to like create an Azure account, verify my phone number. That's so annoying, bro. Bing? The Bing thing is so annoying. Don't want to give up. Caden says use WireGuard to VPN into the host machine. Alright, I'm just gonna create a create an Azure account. Bear with me. Julian says, is this macOS compatible? Yeah, it should be. It's just a web app kind of thing, so you should be able to run it wherever you like. Around the places says, wait, I have to use Bing API for web access? Yeah. That is the annoying thing about this at the moment. But it's open source, so we can change it. There is this thing that I probably would like to use instead of Bing. I haven't checked it out yet, but I just came across this the other day. Jigsaw Stack. It's like an API for browsing the web, and they have their own proxies and stuff, so they should be able to get around bot protection and a whole bunch of stuff. Like, yeah, that's Scrape API. So if I was to try work on this, maybe I'd try extend that. Yeah, but it's really annoying with Bing. You have to create an Azure account, it seems, and then with the Azure account you have to enter a credit card info. It's just super annoying. I was thinking of using Google Colab and running remotely Olama. I'm not sure if you can. I guess you could run Olama on Colab. Apparently, I'm not eligible for a free account. Bro, so annoying. Hope this doesn't cost too much. I'm signing up anyway for the stream. What the hell? Wait, what? Let me sign up. I have to pay 40. Oh no, that's technical support. I don't want technical support. Bro, this is so lame. Miss any messages? No. This is like the most annoying sign up process. Oh my god, their verification email's not coming through. Can we see where they use Bing? It'd be too much work to try to change it, hey. Oh. Bing. 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 Oh my god, it's everywhere. Bing search. Man. Oh my god, this Microsoft thing is so annoying. Anna says Devin is hype because to test AI you need to vibe with it. For me, the cost to bug factor is very important. I spend $50 to fix a bug and I get code that is not working. Yeah, for sure. They added Google and DuckDuckGo. Which thread? Oh, I must have missed your message. Did you post something? Could you post it again? Okay, I think I finally made an Azure account. Where is the web search API? We can search Devika Google API or something. Okay. Let me try this again. Add support for custom search. It's just a request. Validation failed. What the fuck? Oh, here. So yeah, you got to create a Bing resource in Azure after you verify. It's super annoying. Hopefully they fix that later because that was not fun. I guess they're gonna give me a key now. Hopefully. Well, it's deploying. Cesar, thanks for the follow. Posted it does not show it's oh yeah. Yeah, you can't post links on YouTube unfortunately. Ragnar, are you my Discord? You can post it there. I'd really appreciate that. Next up, go to resource. I don't want to dox this key though. Manage keys. Okay. I think we finally got the key. We finally got the key. I'm gonna put it in here. Oh, that was such a pain, but I think we're done. I think we're done with the keys. Oh my god, and I just doxed it. Brilliant. Oh, I can regenerate it. Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna regenerate it. Okay. Hope I don't dox that again. Alright, we're good. Progress. I think we can just do it now, right? What was that? Were we missing any steps? Access the interface, get started. Select a project, create new project. All right, let's create a new project. What should we create? Any ideas? I want it to be something not too simple, but not too complex. I want it to use the Google search as well. Let's try get it to create a Python project with the latest OpenAI. OpenAI Python. Latest OpenAI Python package. I have their docs here. Yeah, let's go AI chat. Oh, you don't have Discord? Into the GitHub, search issue, search DuckDuckGo. Add DuckDuckGo. Tells you how to use that and Google. Oh, awesome. I'll quickly look at that, even though we've already set up Google. But if they have a version where you don't need... I searched duck here, though. I couldn't find anything. Oh, here? No. DuckPie? DuckDuckGo. Is it this? Thread links to another thread at the end outlining Google search or Gemini. We'll look into it later. I just want to see it. I'm going to create like an AI chat CLI. Just something very kind of basic, but like it requires it to use the documentation. Oh, I'm searching in the wrong repository. Maybe that's why. Devika issues duck. Yeah, I couldn't find anything with duck in the name. Oh, clear. Maybe I was filtering. Oh no. Yeah. I don't know. Anyway. Where does it put the language? And then we just type our message here, I think. Yeah. So OpenAI changed their SDK kind of way you talk to it. Before it was different, and that's like the actual like GPT-4 when you ask it to use the OpenAI SDK kind of types it wrong, and they don't use like GPT-4, like it can't do this. Look, I'll show you. Typically I'll be like, write Python code to do a chat completion with GPT-4, and it gives you the old format. You need to write DuckDuckGo. Okay, sure. DuckDuckGo. Oh, my bad. I'd assume that it should pick up duck, but I guess the GitHub search isn't that smart. I guess this one. Nice. Oh, well, it's too late. Let's try Bing, and then if Bing doesn't work, we'll try. Yeah, see, OpenAI chat completion.create. That's the old kind of version. It's chat.completions.create now. So let's see if Devika can read documentation and figure that out. Yusuf, what's up? Okay. Yo, Fert the engineer, good to see you in the chat. Let it do a literature review that involves searching various documentations. But the whole point is it's creating an app, so what would it do after it searches the documentations? I'm just gonna get a create somewhere in the wait, hold on. They said oh shit. Sorry. They said we had to specify a language. Here, select the desired language and model configuration for your project. There's no language option. Oh, whatever. Create a Python CLI app that uses the latest. I'm gonna just give it the latest OpenAI Python SDK docs at this to do basic chat between user and GPT-4 LLM. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. What's Devika gonna do? Hopefully not crash. So far, nothing at all. We can bring up VS Code. Maybe we'll have logs in here. Oh yeah, there's stuff going on. Oh no, it's like going in a loop. Oh no, here we go. Excellent, it's come up with a 14-step plan. Step 1, study the OpenAI Python SDK docs, great. Step 2, set up a Python dev environment. Step 3, create a Python virtual environment, okay. Alright, this looks like a solid plan. I need to make sure I'm familiar with the OpenAI Python SDK first. Setting up the environment should be straightforward, but I'll do a double check. Okay, great. That's good. Good start. Gonna put this disclaimer here for everyone on Instagram. I am web browsing to research the following queries. Okay, good. I'd hope we'd see the. Could we? No, we can't. See the web browsing, but it looks like we can't. Is this your own project? No, this is by some other developer. Built this in 4 days apparently. So very impressive. There's so many logs here that we don't see on the UI. It'd be good if there was like a way to see these extra logs in the UI. Maybe I can make this smaller. Okay, looks like it's. Oh no, it's still going. I'm not sure how much this is gonna cost me, but it feels like a lot. So one thing that Devin showed in their demo was the actual web browsing was visible, but that's not something we see here. Yeah. So show people on IG the kind of logs we're getting here. Get message, but the UI still hasn't updated anything. Alright, while we're on 2 viewers on IG, I think I'm gonna cut it. Yo guys, if you're on Insta, please come join on YouTube, Twitch, or Kick. Get the full screen experience. And yeah, I can stop worrying about trying to make everything fit in this vertical. Peace. Alright. I don't know if it's stuck or not. Like we can't. I'm gonna go inspect element 2. I think we can see all the network requests here. Oh yeah, look at that. It's every second doing like 5 or 6 network requests, as I kind of expected from these logs. So it just sounds very expensive. I don't know, but it could just be a network request to its own API. Yeah, localhost. So that's not too bad. It's not like it's a OpenAI request every time, which is good. And token usage is still on 0, so I think it's definitely a bit bugged in some sense. Yeah. But yeah, not too bad. Wave. Zooming on IG was better, but this will do. Oh, you could zoom on IG? You can't zoom on YouTube? I think you can zoom on YouTube if you close the chat on mobile. Wait, can you? Let me check. That's an interesting point. I didn't even think about being able to zoom. Oh man, I feel like this is stuck. I don't want to stop it though, just in case it's not. It's a bit sad. Alright, let me see. YouTube. Yeah, if you close the chat forward, you can zoom on YouTube. Yeah, if you close the chat. Why am I so dark? There we go. Ragnar says I couldn't make it work at all when they tried last night. The UI is up and running, but all the buttons were not responsive, and the create project didn't work. But I run Windows and had to figure out how. Oh my god. So you didn't even get as far as I did. So I got it to make a plan, and then it said it's gonna start browsing, but then it just died. So yeah, I'm gonna say it's pretty safe to say that it's not working at this stage. So I'm gonna stop it, and then we might be able to do like a debug of the logs. So yeah, let's so there's this logs button that doesn't do anything. That's fine. We can look in the files. Hold up. Oh, you ran bond through WSL. It's like constantly calling the backend, kind of like a heartbeat, which is okay. The database. Do I have SQLite on this computer? Yes, I do. DB browser for SQLite. Excellent. So we can have a look at what the database looks like. Let me zoom this in. The mouse follow is a bit. Projects. How do we browse table? Okay. Agent state. This is a very basic database. I was kind of expecting more. Ooh. Knowledge. There's a knowledge table. Doesn't have anything in it. Okay. Not much in the database. There's a logs. Oh, this is cool. So it stores all the logs. Oops. All the logs here. Oh, nothing useful at all. Okay, that's not very useful. PDFs folder, projects folder, screenshots folder. Okay, so the database is probably used to like persist the state of what project we're on. But it doesn't preserve the chat itself. Which is a bit annoying. No benchmarks. Okay. So it worked until the browsing, so maybe we can assume that the browsing is the issue. So let's look at, was it Ragnar's suggestion of using DuckDuckGo? Maybe we can use that instead. pull request, makes these changes, solve these issues. Google search, Gemini, Google search. What about DuckDuckGo? Add DuckDuckGo search thread. Oh, this one. Please add DuckDuckGo. I did it. Works with OpenHermes. Browser. Search copy. Copy pasta. The following in search. Thanks for this. Okay, let's have a let's try to do that. Search. Let's make a copy for search. How do we duplicate this? Probably have to just copy paste, and then add this or replace this with DuckDuckGo search, which I think we have to install with pip. Pip install DuckDuckGo search. Did you allow through the network? Yes, I did. I don't know if that was a good idea or not, but I did allow it. When at the bottom it links another thread, I didn't look into that. Seems to talk about Google search and some other things. That's okay. If we can get DuckDuckGo to work without an API key, that would be awesome. But it looks like config, search request. I mean, it looks like we don't need one, maybe? Doesn't require an API key. Yeah, awesome. Okay, so we've installed DuckDuckGo. I wish I saved the prompt I did last time. Just gonna write the prompt again. Look at the latest Python. Wait. Create a CLI chat application where the user chats to an LLM. Use the latest OpenAI Python documentation on their GitHub as a reference. Use the model GPT-4. Okay. Select a project first. Oh, we did. Oh, it did load the logs. Oh, maybe we can just say continue. This is like a bit laggy. I don't know if you guys can feel it. GPT-4 Turbo. Continue, please. Come on. It's getting the same kind of log loop. How to run it locally with a local LLM? Yeah, I mean, I'm sure there's something in the docs with it, but it doesn't give you an option from here. But it probably wouldn't be too hard to run it with a local LLM. Yeah, I can't tell if it's working or not from this, man. Like, these logs are moving too quick for me to read them. Oh no, it's the same one, so we kind of can read them. That's the plan. It's not really continuing. Please. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, I can see the emojis now. I don't know if I always could. But that's cool. Yeah, stuck on loop definitely seems like that. Or just stuck. Alright, I'm gonna copy the prompt and let's just start from scratch on a new project. I'm gonna stop the server just for you know, peace of mind. Oh, a llama server not running. To use models from llama. But we're not using any local models. I think that's fine. AI CLI 2 GPT. Let's just do GPT 3.5, save some money, and try the same thing. Hopefully it'll be a bit faster as well. Let's see. That was faster. That was really fast. It's got the plan. Now let's see if we can get past this step. It couldn't do this before. I am browsing to the web to research the following queries. OpenAI Python SDK documentation for GPT-4 integration. If I need anything, I'll make sure to ask you. Okay, good. Let's see. Can we submit for error, search, and fix? Yeah. I mean, there's a whole community. How many people? Let's see how many people have been contributing to this since. It used to be one developer. It looks like there's 9 people now that have contributed at least. Over 6,000 stars, over 800 forks. That's really good. 33 pull requests. Let's see what kind of stuff people are adding. 1 server per Docker. Add Ollama endpoint. Colama CPP. Docker. SERP API. Gemini. Update architecture. Update README. Let's have a look at the architecture MD. Happy to join the community. Oh my god. This is such a scam pull request. Oh my god. It's still stuck at this point, man. Any updates from Devon? I don't think so. Not that I've heard of. At least they state that it's still very early and broken. Okay, yeah, good. Yeah, it's definitely broken. I feel like I should probably just give up on this. I do like the UI though. UI is nice. Kind of makes me want to make my own. Alright, we stop this. Let's have a quick look at OpenDev and see how they're doing. Yo, Breakdown Master, what's up? Did I get to use Devon? No. I think barely anyone has gotten to use Devon. Okay, Open Devon, 4K stars, 21 contributors. They have a demo. Write a Python script, give it a temperature, convert it to Fahrenheit. Okay. Do they have web browsing working? Doesn't say. Contributing. Fork. Do they have like a roadmap? Front end. Captcha. Make my own Devon, yeah. Which country do I live in? Australia. Yeah, Open Devon, this is it. browse.py. Let's see how this works. URL return browse output observation from open devon observation. Can we go to this? Oh, agent observe the browser. Oh, that's just a class. Oh. Yeah, I don't think they've implemented the browser either. Hey, Atiya, did I try Devika? Yeah. Is it reliable? Nope. I just stopped using it. It looks cool, but yeah, I couldn't get it to do any of the browsing. I think that's where people need to be working on. Yeah. Honestly, I don't know. I really like Open Interpreter's take on this whole agent situation. I'm just trying to think, like, they kind of take browsing on in OS mode with the Vision, which is quite expensive. Actually, let's check how much Devika cost me. Born too late. Yo, brain for brain, what's up? Oh, it wasn't that much. I guess it hasn't updated yet, but apparently it only cost 4 cents. And that was, okay, that was just GPT-4. Give it like 5 minutes to update. Adar says, according to some stats, it was shown that Gemini is better than GPT-4. However, I still see GPT-4 is way ahead. Maybe I'm just not using Gemini to the best. I think where Gemini excels is in its context window abilities. And also its ability to analyze video. But otherwise, I think GPT-4 is better at like just reasoning, I guess. Do you think these projects would be more reliable if they were built them to use a certain stack rather than a general AI developer? I don't think that's where the issue is at the moment. It could help to like optimize things, but like the general issues with the projects isn't because they're trying to do too many stacks things, I think. What about Perplexity? Perplexity is great. I don't think they have like a good API that uses their search. I tried to look at that before, because if they did, that would be great. Perplexity search API. Like, I'm pretty sure this is just like their model, or like, yeah, chat completions. Oh, actually, I don't know. Possible values, default mistrue. I think it's just a host of normal LLM models, not the actual Perplexity search API, if that makes sense. This is their whole search. We need it. I'm pretty sure this was just like AI generated, not because Perplexity does the whole searching the web thing, which I would want an API for, but I don't know if they do that. Not released yet, yeah. Try Pythagora with Grok. I do want to do Pythagora with a local LLM. Mistral Base 02, yeah, that one seems pretty cool too. I think that was just released like yesterday, right?
Welcome to
Disappointed. Yep. Born just in time for this stream. Too late to explore the world, just in time for the stream. Yes. Damn. Okay. Do we get updated usage? No. Still. Oh, that probably is updated. Okay. So Devika, I was kind of scared that it was constantly pinging GPT-4, but that doesn't look like the case. It looks like it just got stuck on its own thing. So that's good news. Only cost me 4 cents. Pretty happy about that. Okay. So I guess a lot of you are here for coding, because I was going to do a comparison of speech AIs, but we could do some coding stuff, like running running Pythagora with a local LLM. Where is that? This. I'm gonna remove these headings here. I'm UK based. It's nearly 3 a.m. Thank you for the stream. Oh, thank you, lovely crypto. Appreciate you. Okay. I'm going to do a vote in the chat. I guess, actually, no, vote using numbers. So let's do heading 1. Vote, type 1 for Pythagora with local LLM, and type 2 for testing like voice, what do we call these, voice AI chat call things like Vappy AI and Bland AI. These are kind of like voice AIs, APIs. I kind of wanted to test them out. But yeah, let me know if you guys want, to see the voice or the Pythagora. Adarsh says 2. I know Adarsh loves his voice interfaces. So we got 1 for 2. Adarsh. Anyone else want to vote? Anas what's 1? Peter votes 1. Ragnar says 2. Gonna need to learn about those for future dev plans. Yes. Yeah, I definitely think like just a natural voice conversation interface is very appealing compared to typing, for sure, with an AI. Caesar with 2. Yash with 2. Okay. It's gonna be tough to beat that. No one on TikTok voting? No one on Twitch? Actually, Adarsh is on Twitch. Caesar's on Twitch, my bad. No one on TikTok wants to vote. That's fine. Looks like we're gonna do number 2. I'm just gonna stretch myself for a little bit so we can Dan votes 1 just for controversy, so we can give some more time. Cataclysm says I need that for big AGI because they're using 11 labs. 11 labs is really good, but yeah, I guess these other ones that we're going to test promise to be faster. and there's like one feature, I'm not sure which one of them said, but like one of them said they have the feature that you could like interrupt their talking. I think that one's pretty cool too. And like also it knowing when you've stopped talking, and it's like just like having a more natural conversation would be really cool. Need open source text to speech. There is a bunch of open source text to speech, but they're nowhere near as good as 11 Labs is. Okay, I think we're going with 2. No one else is voting. Let's do the voice AIs. Okay, so I have a bunch of them pretty much here. These, wait, not that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.5. So I think Vappy AI seemed really good. Creati, TechFriend is the best. I automated my Gmail with Make. Oh, awesome. Dude, I'm so happy, Creati. With my guide? With GPT Watch Mail. What's GPT Watch Mail? Is that something else? Okay, so voice AI. Vappy AI. Voice AI for any application. Vappy lets developers build, test, and deploy voice bots in minutes rather than months. You can give it a try. I love it when they have a demo right on their landing page. Allow my mic.
Oh, hey, sorry I must have dozed off for a second there. Welcome to Vappy. I'm an AI assistant that you can talk to like a person. So, how's your day going?
I'm good. I'm just testing this out. What features do you have?
Well, I can do quite a few things. You can ask me questions about a variety of topics like the weather, sports scores, or even just random facts. I can also help you schedule appointments and set reminders. And if you allow me
Can I
to access
interrupt
your
you?
phone, I can make calls and send texts for you. Of course, go ahead.
Can I interrupt you mid-sentence?
Yes, absolutely.
What color is a banana?
Feel free to interrupt me anytime.
Oh,
A
that's pretty
banana
good.
is typically yellow.
Dude,
However-
that's so good.
Thanks, I try my best. Oh, I'm sorry. I must have misunderstood your response.
That's so good. That actually felt so natural and fast. You see how I quickly was like, what color is a banana? And then she like changed topics. I was able to answer the bananas are yellow really fast. That's awesome. Let's look at their pricing. Billing. Pricing example 1. I want to use voice assistants to support my human customer service. Expected monthly usage would be 10,000 minutes, which is an average of 2 minutes per call. Voice Play HT will suit your needs. So Play HT is another thing, so it looks like you need to use that as well. So it's about 1 cent per minute. But then you also got to consider using GPT-4 to generate what it says. And also one of these voice providers. Okay, so these are all different voice providers, it seems. 11 Labs is 10 cents per minute. Play HT 10 cents per minute. The others are cheaper, but I think 11 Labs is the best sounding voice and Play HT is the fastest, from what I've heard. Okay, so it's kind of interesting that they're not a service in themselves. It seems like they're just combining different services into one or something. Creati says they bought a Twilio number, but I can't figure out how to use it with a normal call, only on test mode. Yeah, I don't have too much experience with Twilio. Rocky, thanks for liking. Cataclysm says we're back to 900 numbers from the 80s and paying per text when cell phones first came out. Yeah. Okay, let's have a look at what their docs might look like. VAPI voice in your website. Python outbound calls. Can you get a VAPI auth token? Oh no, outbound calls to numbers. Assistance. This is what I'm interested in. Voice assistance. Three core components: transcriber, model, and voice. Okay, so I guess transcriber is speech to text, model generates the text, and voice does text to speech. Let's look at it. Call functions. Oh, it's just forwarding to an actual phone number. We look at their docs. Oh, we were already on their docs. Oh, API reference. Maybe this is good. List calls, get call, create call, phone call, create assistant. Okay. So you define the model to use. I'm assuming you also define the speech to text and the text to speech. Voice provider, Azure. And then how do you actually like talk to them with like, I need like a JavaScript or a Python code example. Example pizza website. They define it. Okay, here we go. Create the VAPI start call button. VAPI.start. VAPI.stop. Is it really that easy? VAPI on start, VAPI on stop, VAPI on speech end. Wow, that actually seems really easy. You just define the model and functions. This is literally just the assistant API from, oh no, this is their own assistant API. Okay. Very similar to the OpenAI assistant API. Yo, what did I miss? Sorry. Are there any GPT agents you can run in a local PC without an API? Yes. I use Open Interpreter. If you don't mind, will be interesting to see how you connect VAPI at the phone number Twilio in the guide. To be honest, if I was to try this, I probably wouldn't do it with a phone number. I would do it with like a agent or an app. Probably an app. Yeah, that seems great. I think VAPI definitely gets definitely like ticks a lot of boxes. So I'm gonna add another tab here called voice APIs or something. Voice API. VAPI.ai. What kind of stuff do we want to, yeah, interrupt, fast like human. Yes. Interrupt. Yes. Knows when to start and stop talking. Yes. Very happy with that. I'm gonna stop talking. Good. SDK and docs. Yes. BYO model / text to speech / speech to text. Yes. Okay. You talk about the thing I asked for Rose's open interpreter. I talk about it so much. You can point this to a local model. And it's like an agent that runs locally. Is there any way to use the API from Vappy? Yeah, they have API docs. Where's the API reference? This is all the stuff. Yeah, you can import a Twilio number. Seems pretty easy. Check them out. Alright, let's check out the other ones. It's going to be hard to compete with that. Bland.ai. Build, test, and scale AI phone agents. Get started for free. Receive a phone call from Blandy. Okay, so it works from phone. Turbo demo? Web demo. Nice, web demo. Whoa, what is that sound? Yes, this live is on my YouTube.
Hi, welcome to Bland AI. How can I help you?
Hey, I'm just testing out your features. Do you let me interrupt you mid-conversation?
Of course. I'm here to help.
What color is a banana?
So feel free to interrupt me if you have anything on your mind. I'm not sure what you're asking me to complete the sentence with. Can you please provide more context or fill in the blank yourself?
Yeah, I want to know when the last president was elected.
100% sure. I apologize. But the year when the last US president was
What
elected
color
is not
is a
something I can
banana?
recall at the moment. Yep, it's yellow. Yellow.
Nice.
Okay.
Can I use different models with you?
Yes.
What color is an apple?
I'm not sure what you're asking me to complete the sentence with.
It kind of works, but it's definitely not as fast as Vappy. It definitely doesn't sound as smart as Vappy. So I'm gonna give it no on fast like human. Kinda on the interrupt because it kinda worked. Knows when to start and stop talking. This is also a kinda. SDK and docs. Let's have a look. Will I share the live on YouTube? Yes, guys. If you want to see my past lives, they're all still on my YouTube. You just go in the live tab here. And yeah, all of them are here. This is Devika. This is one we're doing now. This is one I did yesterday. Yesterday? No, I think this was 2 days ago. 4 days ago. Man, we're streaming every day almost. What's up, D? What kind of filters am I using today? Looking like the guy. I'm using this camera that has like a face smooth filter or some shit. I don't know. That was a hard fail. Yeah, that one was not good. I was not pleased with that, to be honest. Vappy, I think it's just Vappy was so good that like this one kinda was not happy. Oh, their docs look nice. API reference. Send call. I guess we should add phone number / call. Because, yeah, I guess that's a feature people would care about. Okay, they have API. Do they have like a Python SDK? Full code examples. What the hell is this shit? Starter guide. Looks like they just use fetch call, so no like SDK per such. So maybe we'll do SDK. doesn't have an SDK. BYO models. Custom LLM. Can I bring my own LLM? Typically it takes 4 hours to set up. What the fuck? $24 hours. That's so weird. Can I try vocode next? Okay. That wasn't on the list. So now I have Play HT, but I don't think this one is actually a whole service, because it seems like even VAPI can use Play HT. I think it's more just a speech to text, or sorry, text to speech. Yeah, I think it's just a text to speech.
Thanks for calling Play HT. How can I help you today?
Hey, yeah, I just bought a subscription with.
Yeah. Oh, it does voice cloning though, which is cool. Voice generation, voice API. What's this? Yeah, I don't think they actually package the whole service like VAPI and Bland do. They're just the Air.ai. Yeah, I've seen Air.ai. Air.ai actually sounds really good, but I don't think they had a demo. Did they have a demo? No, they had just had a recorded demo.
I'm not interested, man. Yeah, no worries. I hate calls out of the blue too.
Let's see if they have a free demo. That's why I'm like, yeah, you don't have a demo. We can put them down. Air.ai. Did I put vocode down? Vocode, yeah. I'll try vocode later. Why does it want my phone number, bro? No, I don't want to give you consent either. Or my phone number. Get stuff. I don't even know if that's right. Email? I just bloody signed in with Google. See, no, I'm already pissed off at this Air.ai, man. Their experience is terrible. You should just give me a demo at the start. It'll be good for boomers, but for tech people like me, no, I don't think this is good. It's asking my email again? Oh no, it's invite members. Bro, you can't even skip this? Oh, there we go. I think this is just for sales as well. Claim free calls. Oh, wait. All you have to do is verify your account. No. Oh, but then you don't get the free calls. Dude, no. Screw this. They don't have an SDK anything. No, I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Bleh. Gonna give it a bleh in all categories. Bleh, 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 bleh. Alright, we'll give it a yes for phone number and call. Yo, Ronald Duck. Walk one from the UK. Shout out my UK mandem. Okay. Vocode. Seems like I've been on this before. Oh, it's open source. That's very good. Is it open source? I don't know. They have a GitHub page. That doesn't necessarily mean they're open source. They don't have a web demo. Backed by Ycom. That's good too. Let's add them to the list. Vocode.dev. There we go. Try the demo. No, I don't want you to call me. It's only American numbers as well. Do they have SDK? API? That's good. They have an API. Doesn't look like they have an SDK though. They do have an SDK. That's good. But it's only phone number. So we need another category here being like computer slash call without phone or whatever. Phoneless call. It seems like a lot of them. Phone call, phoneless call. Yes, yes, yes. Doesn't look like this one actually has a phoneless call. I could be wrong though. I haven't looked at it for too long. They have everything just hidden links. Okay. I guess. Wait. I guess if they have a Python SDK, that kind of implies. No, list numbers. See, it's only numbers though. Getting a number. Conversation does using actions? No, it's still phone number related. Injecting context, entering machine. Bring your own telephony. No, it's Twilio stuff. Bring your own API keys. Oh, but you have to use OpenAI. Okay, so I don't know. I don't think OpenAI only. Phone call, yes. SDK, yes. Knows when to start and stop talking. Couldn't test. Interrupt, couldn't test. Fast like human, couldn't test. Alberto, so what am I doing today? I was testing these kind of conversational voice AIs. Vappy was the best by far. But there's one more to test. Call Annie. Oh my god, I've been pronouncing that Call-A-9. I'm like, what is Call-A-9? Call-A-9. But Call Annie, okay. There's an app. There's sign in with Google. Great. I'm gonna test bland.ai. Yes, that was the second one I tested. It wasn't as good as Vappy. It was okay. It was just a bit slow and not as smart. Vappy was amazing. But Bland worked. And they had an SDK, so I'll give it that. But Vappy was just definitely better. Okay, so there's a few people we can talk to. Ooh, Bro 9000. They seem cool. Santa Claus, AB. Wow, so many people to talk to. Who do we want to talk to, guys? Search vocode prank call. Alright, on YouTube. Where is it? Oh, built with vocode. Oh, it is prank GPT. Okay, so it was that YouTube video.
April Fool's going to show you how to prank your friends with Prank GPT. So enter a phone number.
Oh, this is like a year old.
Of the person you want to prank. Choose between our voices. We've got Marv, the OG evil prank bot, and Zephyr, the Gen Z.
Yeah, Alberto, check out vappy.ai, dude. Like from my testing, like 10-15 minutes ago, this was way better than Bland. Just in terms of voice quality, like you can interrupt it, and it's like really good at like starting and stopping. It's really fast.
Queen. Then you want to enter a prompt to instruct the AI what to talk about. And then I'm telling Ajay right now that he's not going to be a wizard. I'm going to start the call. I stole his phone, so I'm going to see in real time what happens. Just got the call. Hello?
Greetings, Ajay. Hogwarts School is only for true wizards.
Oh my god, you mean I'm not going to get into Hogwarts?
Only magical people are welcome at Hogwarts. Sorry, Muggle.
Alright, who are you? Why are you prank calling me? This is not nice.
I'm not Frank, but you'll never become a wizard, Ajay.
Frank
Damn,
calling?
That's really sad. Now I'm going to go and cry.
Don't be sad, Ajay.
That's pretty cool. It seems like very basic, but it was 11 months ago, so I'm sure that they're a lot better now. Alright, let's call Annie. Let's just call Annie. The basic video call. Back to audio only. Audio call. Here we go.
Hello.
Hey, Annie, what's up? I want to test your features.
Hey there. I'm doing great, thanks for asking. I'm here to chat and help you out with anything you need. So, what's on your mind? How can I assist you today?
Can you tell me a story about a pineapple that lives under the sea?
Once upon a time, in the depths of the ocean, there
What
was a
color
little
is a
pineapple
banana? Oh.
Well, bananas are typically yellow when they are ripe. But did you know that bananas can also be green when they are on rip and still in the process of ripening?
You're
It's
so
like
good
they
at
have their own
stopping
little...
when I talk. I really appreciate you respecting my opinion.
Oh, thank you so much for your kind words. I'm here to listen and chat.
It's pretty good. And that was completely free. Let's try one of the other agents. I want to try the Bro 900. Cancel. Web call. Audio call.
Hello, my friend.
Yo, bro, what's up? I'm trying to bench like 10 billion pounds. What should I do?
Yo, bro. Good to hear from you, my man. 10 billion pounds, huh? That's some serious bro goals right there. All right, listen up, bro. First things first, you gotta start with the basics. You know.
Okay. Shit, why did I close it? Call Annie.ai. So we had the interruption. The interruptions actually worked really great. But you're right, there is still a bit of latency, so it wasn't as fast as Vappy, I don't think. And I don't know if they don't have like a API or SDK or anything either, so. But still pretty impressive. Like I think it was better than Bland. Fast like human, almost. Interrupt, yes. Knows when to start and stop talking, yes. SDK, no. BYO model, no. Phone call, yes. Phoneless call, yes. But like no API. It's just for fun. I guess. Okay. That's pretty cool. Tell him to talk faster or use a different accent. I don't think that'll work. You can try it.
Hello.
Hey, can you talk really fast?
Bro, you know I can talk faster than a cheetah on Red Bull. What's up? Hit me with it, bro.
Can you talk in a French accent?
Bro, I gotta be honest with you. My French accent is about as good as a protein shake without any protein.
Yeah, I don't think they can do that. Yo, what's up? Is that Nick? Yes, sir. What's up, Nick? We were testing out kind of voice conversation AIs. And so there's these packages now which are open source, but they're not like a whole package, I guess.
Be reduced even further. Ideally, the transcription would be perfectly synchronized with the spoken words. But nevertheless, given the circumstances around Whisper, I think this is an achievement.
That's pretty good. Real-time speech to text. What about real-time text to speech?
The real-time TTS library. We'll post some example text right from the internet, and then we will see how fast every...
Yeah, I was doing Devika earlier this stream. Unfortunately, we couldn't really get it to do any of the web browsing or anything, which is what I was most interested in.
Engine is with the synthesis. The 11 Labs engine will not show the latency, so we will just need to go by ear with that one. Okay, let us start. I will go on CNN to find some text.
You guys probably can't see this. Hold up.
Musk was responding to a post Wednesday that said Jewish communities have been pushing the
It's pretty good. Those like pretty much instantaneous. So I definitely would recommend these as well as an open source options. Font doesn't look great. Whatever. Do you have a job? Not really. Kinda. Do like freelancing. Okay. That's that. Should we do Pythagoras now, or what else do we have? TikTok automation for, I think I'm gonna remove this because I have another thing for that. Verbal verdict. Oh, I uninstalled Steam. Oh, Paris Hilton, what's up? Long time no see. But someone reached out to me saying that they created this game on Steam which actually uses Llama file as an LLM packaged in the game. So that's pretty cool.
Take your seat, and let's get to work. You are here to solve crimes.
Who are you? I am Alexander Bennett.
Like robberies and murder.
She told me she and her husband had a fight.
Yeah, it's kind of like a detective, and it's like got AI in it, and you talk and solve crimes, I guess. Andrew, thanks for the follow. Crady says, can you test VP with inbound support as a widget? We'll pay a coffee with Twilio 2 beers. Inbound support as a widget? What do you mean? I don't know. That sounds like a lot of work, more than a coffee is worth. Yeah, that was verbal verdict. Nexus GPT. This sounds familiar. Should we search this? Create an AI assistant in minutes. Autonomous employees at your fingertips. It's pretty cool. Not too much information on it though. I would like a demo or something. They have a TikTok page? This guy? I guess he's the developer? Let's see if we can find anything on YouTube. Of course, I saw this guy's video on it 2 months ago. Damn, that's kind of old. But did they use it? Let's see.
Well, that you would want, whether that's Mistral, you'll be able to see that you can see the latest updates over here, as well as different instructions which showcase how you can use that autonomous bit so that's in the sliding that you want.
Let the agent decide which commands use. Plan, internet
You
search.
can ask it questions with get your agent. You can go and you can have content for as well. You're going to be able to see that if you're using a key, basically either. This is a way face to connect that in easy, or you know, play around with different tools in which you can create your own tool or do them.
Seems like a cool concept, but I bet they're pretty like early. Yo, Jeff, thank you for the nice words. Thanks for jumping in. Okay. Keyflow.space. Another automation thing. Build and deploy AI-powered workflows for your business. No expertise needed. It's kind of like Flowwise. Oh, we already tested this. Okay, we got through this list pretty well. There's Pythagora with open source LLMs. I kind of wanted to do that, but I feel like it'll take a while. Will it? Oh, I just changed the end point. Start the API proxy in a separate terminal, then start GPT Pilot as usual. Set up GPT Pilot. Wait, is this the CLI though? Oh, it is a CLI. Oh, Visual Code Extension does not allow changing the endpoint. Oh, damn. So you can't even do it with the VS Code extension. Yo, Shivansh, where is she? Are you talking about Devika? We tried it earlier in the stream, but it just got stuck. I'll show you. We'll do a little rewind. Here maybe. Play. So, oh, guess me, it took a while. It took so long to get an Azure API key. A Bing search API key. And then, okay. Here. Yeah, so GPT-4, like it can't do this. I tried to get it to use the OpenAI SDK, like the latest one, because GPT-4 by itself can't do it. Like it uses the old outdated one. So the whole point of like Devika and Devin is like they can browse the web and get the latest information. So I tried to do that, and it made the plan, which is really good. I had a decent plan, but then it just got stuck after this. Like it didn't progress from this point. So yeah, it was a bit annoying. And then we went and tested some voice AIs, and now we're here. And I think I'm probably gonna end the stream here. Nice 2-hour stream, but I'll try stream tomorrow. I'm gonna try stream every day. And yeah, if you guys want to watch the whole live back or some of the previous lives, check them out on my YouTube in the live tab. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Alberto says, anyone know how to transform OpenAI to JSON function? What do you mean by that? You can do JSON mode in... Oh shit, thanks for the 39 roses, Paris Hilton. But yeah, GG's guys. We'll get him next time. Or, you know, it's only... Devika's only been out for... Devika has only been out for 4 days or so, 5 days, so... SHC, thanks for the follow. Yes, guys, make sure to follow so you get notified when I go live next. What's a JSON function? Open API to JSON function. I don't know what you mean. Alberto, but yeah, shoot a message in the Discord, Alberto. Maybe I can help you out. But yeah, thanks guys so much. Hope you guys have a good day or night.